Open your browser and go to earth.google.com/studio/signup. Sign in with your Google account. Open an existing project or create a new one. Once your animation is ready, look at the top right corner. Click on the Render button. A Render Settings panel will now open. Here you can adjust a few things before exporting. First, set your resolution. You can choose 1080p or higher depending on your needs. Then, set your frame rate. 24 FPS or 30 FPS works great for most videos. Make sure your start and end frame are set correctly. This controls exactly which part of your animation gets exported. Now scroll down and once everything is set, click Render. Google Earth Studio will now start exporting frame by frame. Wait for the process to complete. This may take a few minutes depending on the length of your animation. Once it's done, all your frames will be downloaded to your PC. You can then import those frames into CapCut, Premiere Pro, or any video editor to combine them into a final video. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. Also press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.